Big changes in Social Security benefits. The Social Security Fairness Act, passed by the U.S. Senate on December 20th, 2024, brings monumental updates for millions of Americans. This video explains the repeal of the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and Government Pension Offset, GPO, provisions that have long reduced benefits for teachers, firefighters, police officers, and other public sector workers. In this video, find out what WEP and GPO are and how they negatively impacted retirees, what the average increase in benefits for affected individuals will be, and when you can expect to receive updated Social Security payments in 2025. Don't miss this important financial update that could significantly improve your retirement plan. Subscribe to the Confident Wealth Solution for more insights on personal finance, retirement planning, and maximizing your wealth. Stay informed and empowered. Watch now. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to share breaking news about the Social Security Fairness Act of 2024 and how it could positively impact the retirement plans of millions of Americans. On December 20th, 2024, the United States Senate passed the Social Security Fairness Act, a historic decision that repeals two long-standing provisions, the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO. Let's start with the Windfall Elimination Provision, or WEP. The WEP is a formula used to reduce Social Security benefits for individuals who earned a pension from work not covered by Social Security, such as many public sector jobs. Even if these individuals paid into Social Security through other employment, their benefits were reduced under the assumption that they had an unfair advantage. In reality, it penalized hard-working professionals like teachers, firefighters, and police officers who contributed to both systems. The Government Pension Offset, or GPO, further compounded this issue by reducing Social Security spousal or survivor benefits for individuals who also received a government pension. For example, if someone was eligible for survivor benefits after losing a spouse, the GPO often wiped out their entitlement entirely, leaving families without critical financial support during times of need. Together, the WEP and GPO have negatively impacted more than 2.5 million public sector employees and retirees across the nation, reducing or even eliminating benefits they rightfully earned through years of hard work. With the repeal of these provisions, the Social Security Fairness Act will restore full Social Security benefits for these individuals. Those affected by the WEP can expect an average monthly increase of $360, while those impacted by the GPO may see an increase ranging from $700 to $1,190, depending on their situation. So, when can retirees expect to see these changes? Adjusted payments are scheduled to begin in January 2025, and there's potential for backdated payments to be issued. This means financial relief is just around the corner. The Social Security Administration is working diligently to implement these changes. Retirees are encouraged to monitor official communications to learn how their specific benefits will be updated. This is a pivotal moment for many retirees. If you or someone you know has been impacted by the WEP or GPO, now is the time to review your retirement plan with a financial professional to help you navigate these changes and maximize your benefits. For more information on financial planning and retirement strategies, subscribe to the Confident Wealth Solution so you can plan for your future with confidence. Thank you for watching.